In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove labels from Google Maps. This is perfect when you want a clean, uncluttered view of the world. Great for presentations, design mock-ups, or simply exploring satellite imagery without road names, place labels, and business icons getting in the way. Start by opening Google Maps. You can do this in a web browser on your computer or in the mobile app. Give it a moment to load your map. You don't need any special settings or an account for this, we're just adjusting how the map is displayed. Next, look for the layers control. On desktop, you'll find it in the bottom left corner of the map. It looks like a stack of squares. On mobile, it's a similar icon near the edge of the screen. Click or tap that to open the panel that controls how the map looks. In the layers panel, choose satellite. This switches the map from the default map view to the aerial imagery. You'll immediately see the landscape, buildings, and terrain as photographs from above. By default, Google still overlays names and roads on top of the imagery, but we're about to turn those off. Now toggle labels off. Inside the layers panel, you'll see a switch or checkbox labeled labels. Turn that off. As soon as you do, the map cleans up dramatically. Roads, city and neighborhood names, business icons, and most other on-map text disappear, leaving just the raw satellite image. Take a moment to zoom and pan. You should notice that the clutter is gone, which is ideal if you're capturing screenshots or focusing on geographic features without distractions. If you don't see the labels option, double check that you've selected satellite first. The labels toggle is tied to that view. Also, avoid turning on other layers like traffic or transit, since those add overlays back onto the map. If you're seeing 3D shapes or slight shading in certain cities, that's part of the imagery or the 3D view. You can switch from 3D to 2D in the map controls if you prefer a flatter look. And if you step away and come back later, you may need to open layers and toggle labels off again, depending on your device and session. When you're done, you can easily bring everything back by opening layers and turning labels on again. That's all there is to it. Satellite selected, labels off, and a clean, distraction-free view of the world. Thanks for watching and enjoy your label-free Google Maps.